How to use PayPal to deposit on FanDuel. PayPal is accepted at FanDuel, but it works a little bit differently. FanDuel's online sportsbook is available in Colorado, Iowa, Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Tennessee, and West Virginia. If you want to use PayPal on FanDuel, you need to have your bank account linked to your PayPal account as the preferred payment method. You can link your bank account through the Wallet tab on PayPal's website, and you can set your preferred payment option from the same page. 1. Log into FanDuel. 2. Click the Add Funds button. 3. Select PayPal as your deposit method. 4. Choose how much you want to deposit. 5. Click the Deposit button below the PayPal logo. 6. Complete the transaction on the PayPal portal. 7. Your funds will be available instantly on FanDuel. Note that you must use PayPal to deposit funds on FanDuel if you want to use it as a withdrawal method. 1. Click on the same button you used to deposit on the FanDuel homepage. 2. Select the withdrawal option, and choose how much you want to take out. 3. You can withdraw winnings on FanDuel through PayPal, online banking, or by check. 4. We recommend using PayPal to complete the transaction. It usually takes 48 hours to see your money go through, but you might be waiting up to 72 hours if traffic is high on FanDuel.